Wei Wei-fan from Berlin.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell for more of our adventures.
Let's go. So today we are headed off to what's called Museum Island here in Berlin.
And we're going to a Christmas market!
We have a lot of fun things planned today. Some classic things that Ashley's been wanting to do here in Berlin.
I cannot wait. Germany's supposed to have the best Christmas markets ever. We had such a good breakfast. I had a chai latte made with actual chai tea. Fun fact about me, I do not like chai lattes made out of powder.
Right. And a lot of places do that.
Yeah.
I'm not exactly sure when Museum Island became called that or when it was founded or whatnot, but behind me I have the Spree Canal. It's a small body of water, a canal, off of the Spree River, which is on the other side of Museum Island. It splits it up. It's a very small island, probably like half a kilometer long or so based on my judgment of looking at a map. And all along it are museums, universities, there's a garden as well as a cathedral. I think we're gonna go take a look around. On the northwestern side of the island alone, there is the Altes Museum, or the Old Museum, built in 1830. The Neusis Museum, finished in 1859, which was destroyed in World War II and reopened in 2009. The Altes National Gallery, completed in 1876. Pergamon Museum, built in 1930, and the Bode Museum, and that's just this side. On the southeastern side, there's another museum or two, plus residential places, plus places to eat, plus some other construction going on. This place is huge, and that's not even including this guy, the Berlin Cathedral.
So we were in the museum quarter and we met up with our friend Phil, who we met on Instagram. He is on vacation from Australia, and we thought we'd just meet up, and somehow he found us on this island. So that
told him where we'd be,
how
yeah.
small it is, kind of is. Yeah. But yeah, so he's gonna hang out with us just for a little bit.
All right. As we're walking around, we're looking at all the prices of the different museums to let you guys know how much it is. It seems on average they're all about 7 to 8 euro, but we did just see something that we think translates to museum pass, like all the museums, because then you can buy one ticket for each museum. It's about 18 euro for what we believe is the ticket that gets you to all the museums on the island. Actually, if you plan to go to all of them, that's a good deal. But if you're just going to one, save your money and just go to that one.
I bought the one that takes you all the way out to the outer edge as well, so that's why it's 30.
Okay. So we're talking to our friend Phil here, and here on vacation he bought the Berlin card. And it has this whole booklet that shows the different things that you can get percentages off, as well as it's good for transportation. For 3 days it's about 27 euro, and you get all transportation, which for us it's like 280 each time we use the metro each. So 20 euro for 3 days is an amazing price and a great deal, and we totally should have done this. Phil's on top of it.
Yeah,
And you can add in this museum pass we just talked about for
Yeah,
like an extra 15 euro, I think, something like that.
Yeah.
Guys, whenever you're going to a city, definitely look into these cards that they have available, because when you add everything up, they usually end up being a great deal for you. Before we go to the Christmas market, we decided to check out some chocolates.
'Cause
Delicious! Josh is like, Ashley, are you going in there just to look at chocolate? We'll see. They say thank you for not touching, but they say nothing about licking.
Your tongue is an appendage of your body.
Gate. This is where were at yesterday in our footage, and this is a chocolate-sized one, and it even has the
That's really detailed.
statue on the top.
That's impressive.
It's really cool.
She's going crazy, you guys. Stop her.
Like the television tower.
Oh, whoa. I didn't even see this.
See.
I could have backed into it. Would have had no idea.
Oh my gosh, that would have been horrific. And we just have to eat it. Gosh, that is something you want to lick. You can't help it.
It's an actual chocolate volcano that is bubbling.
Ah, we should have had this at our wedding. We had chocolate fountains, but a chocolate volcano would have been awesome. We're at Gendemanmarkt. This is what I've been waiting all day for, to go to a Christmas market. We got tickets. This is the only Christmas market that I could find in Berlin that makes you pay before you go in, but it's only €1, so I'm sure it'll be worth it. And this exact time is when I wanted to come, when it's dusk and all the little twinkle lights are starting to come on.
To clarify, it's about 4 p.m. That's when dusk is at the moment.
Crazy. City, and they've built this beautiful market in the middle. Like, they've used plastic to build these little restaurants in here, and then the other ones are kind of like traditional wooden market houses, but this one has a bench and then these cozy blankets on the benches, and they have like a little fire on the TV. It looks so cozy and romantic. If it was snowing outside, it'd just be perfect. So I was reading that in markets like this, if you wanted to get mulled wine or their version of mulled wine, they will give you a mug. And they have these traditional mugs. They can make them every year, but they're traditional to the market you're in or the city you're in. And when you pay for your mulled wine, you put in a deposit for the cup, and you can pay for the cup after you drink it, or you can bring it back and get your deposit back. But that's pretty cool. And the person that I was reading about in the blog, he said that he told himself he was going to come home with 2, and he came home with 5.
What?
I don't have room for 5, but maybe 1. Josh is saying no.
Market. There's also an indoor section here full of lots of goods to buy, but it seems that most of the food is out here, so we're gonna head out and each pick our respective meals. Come on in here, huh? And your food too.
I'm kind of little.
You're kind of short. Hold on.
It does look really Christmassy though.
It does look Christmassy. We can see her now. Okay, I have gotten the Bismarckbrötchen, which I'm probably saying wrong, but it is a herring sandwich. Hold on, is this gonna...
I feel like he got really adventurous. I feel like when you're hungry you shouldn't be so adventurous, but you went for it.
When at a Christmas market in Berlin, get the raw herring with pickles and onions sandwich.
But it was pretty cheap, right? How much
It was
did you pay?
€3.50.
€3.50 is cheaper than what I spent on my traditional spätzle.
Which I love.
And he'll probably have some, but they asked me what I wanted in it, and I said everything. So they put actual truffle they used and shredded it.
You saw the mushroom in it?
Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah, actual ones. And then the spätzle is like dough that's been boiled.
Like flash boiled.
It's hard.
Flash
I don't
boiled
know.
cooked.
Yeah, so they almost, like this is kind of what it looks
It's
like.
a noodly thing.
Yeah, but it's hot. She asked if I wanted the more offensive cheese or the milder cheese, and I said both. So that's what I got, and it looks great. Now, this cost about €15, but it's because I have to bring the bowl back.
Okay,
and they give me €5 back.
Okay.
Still pretty pricey.
€10 for pasta.
But the amount that you're getting, and
Fair enough.
I got shredded actual truffle. It looks so good.
I'll give her that much. Okay, so how does this taste? Let me get a bite of my herring and pickle here.
I'm gonna mix mine all around. This looks delicious. Does it taste real fishy?
No, it doesn't taste very fishy at all. It's a good, delicious flavor. In fact, the pickle is stronger than the fish.
That's what I felt like when we were in the Netherlands.
How's your spätzle?
Haven't had it yet, but I mixed it all around. I got the onions, the cheese, and it's steamy. So good. Very truffly. Can you translate for me?
Very truffly, she said. I can smell a truffle, so.
The cheese is really good. Translation, please.
The cheese is really good.
This was a really good choice. I think it just spit everywhere.
You did, but it's okay. This is not a fancy vlog. Anyways, delicious food. And what did you get?
Ooh, that looks so nice. Swing it down, swing it down.
What'd you got?
I got
Wow.
pumpkin, mango, and sweet potato soup.
What?
Pumpkin, mango, and sweet potato?
With pumpkin oil
Uh-huh.
and a little bit of greenery for decoration.
That sounds
Wow.
amazing. How much was it?
$5.50.
Wow, that's a great price.
Yeah?
But as with the glue vine, there is a deposit for the bowl.
Mine too, yeah.
It seems that deposits are all the rage here, which is great because you get real dishware.
You can take the dish home if you want, or
Hence the deposit.
That
Get
can
it
give
back.
you €5, but
Okay, I asked the girls when I brought my bowl back for my €5 how to say delicious in German, and they said it's Zellekum. So that's how you say delicious. It's kind of easy to remember, I feel like. I probably won't remember by tomorrow. But they were really impressed with how I said it the first time.
Then this is for you and this is for you. Are you paying together or separately?
Yes, together.
Then that is €13, please.
All right, Ashley and I have stopped to get some glühwein, and it's mulled wine. She offered me a shot of amaretto to place in it, and I thought, amaretto and wine? Yeah, that sounds good. It feels so nice to have something warm on the hands, and yeah, the amaretto makes it. It gives it a little extra sweetness. It's such a fun thing to walk around this market and enjoy a nice hot cup of wine.
And show the cute cup that you can take home if you want.
So it is a 3-year deposit with the mug, but again, if you bring it back, you get your €3 back. If not, you keep a cute mug from a Christmas market that you went to in Germany and had mulled wine in. Not a bad souvenir, really.
Can't wait to take mine home and drink on Christmas Day out of
Hey,
it.
no. Ain't nobody got room for that. That's not going in your bag, is it? You got no room.
I can do it.
It's left to right and neutral, reach it all the way up, pressing into.
So after being outside for so long, a great way to warm up is to exercise at home. And we were freezing, so I've been doing some yoga, and Ashley's been curled up like a cat. That's been our experience. That was a fun day.
Yeah, I had really a lot of fun. Phil, I wasn't expecting to come hang out with us for the day, but that was awesome. Like, I just thought we would meet and that was it, but no, he spent the whole day with us.
Yeah, it was really cool, and he's an awesome guy, so it was really fun to meet with Wave Fam around the world. He's from Australia, and I guess he comes to Europe like once a year on his vacation time.
And it's so funny, all the things, like he stayed in the same Airbnb that we stayed in
because we talked about
Warsaw,
it in our video.
Poland. And then in when he was in Tallinn, he also went to a restaurant that we went to in Tallinn because of our recommendation. So it's very cool to see when we do recommendations such as Airbnb and stuff, people listen and actually...
And then we actually get to meet that person and they're real.
Yeah,
you know?
it's so cool. It was such a fun day. And the Christmas market was beautiful. It was a little pricier than... But
it was
not
the
pricier than I
upscale.
expected. Yeah, I expected it to be pricey. But yeah, we have more Christmas markets to come. I loved my spatula and my mulled wine and my little mug that I'm gonna keep, that I actually snuck away. It's over there.
Yeah,
but
she got away with one.
So I have a mug. I'm gonna take it home and I'm gonna have such a good time during Christmas sipping my tea out of it.
So, Wave Fam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. Come to Berlin during Christmas time, feel the cold weather, get some mulled wine, go to Christmas markets, and if you have the time and the desire, definitely go to those museums on Museum Island. Again, you can get a 3-day Berlin pass for about 30 to 40 euro. That includes transportation, includes museums, and all kinds of cool stuff.
Yeah, we didn't do that this time, but after hearing him and the deal he got, we were thinking, man, we should have done that. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Good Nacht.
Good Nacht, auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Probably not the right version of goodbye, but anyways, goodbye.
Scheiße.
Why would you try and swear at the end? How did that come out of your mouth?
Because it's funny, but I always say it wrong, so it's not
She can't even swear right.
I do it on purpose.